Okay, so good morning to all of us. We are about to witness the inauguration and ribbon cutting of the mural at Bacacang Central, Marcos Highway. Okay, so let's have the welcome remarks so that yung aming kada dito, especially of course, kay nag-sponsor itinay ko yung mural tayo. No other than Councilor Leandro Yago. Of course, our ex-councilor na dali nga bisita tayo na magabangan ng Central Matlayan, mga bisita. No other than Ma'am Elaine Simbrano, kadagiyay siya kakakadwa tayo nga ganito, kadagiyay staff tayo di barangay, kadagiyay na lumang at ipunpulong na pwedikas naman na maalali kay ang mural ng mga daw, good morning ka na sila. So, agad kayo tatawag, pwedikas naman, i-witness tayo, inauguration na and ribbon cutting dagay nagregligatan, of course dagay na punupunutan dagay oray liman na bisita kan tuloy-tuloy lang tayo panag-aramid na itimuran tayo kat napintas nakita ko the effort ni Maysa kan Maysa. So once again kada tayo nga natoy, welcome to Bacacang Central and welcome to the ribbon cutting and inauguration of the mural. Thank you. And of course, to have our rationale of the creative project, let's have Councilor Leandro Yago Jr.
Thank you, Apo Mayor Dan Palos Daniel. I'll be very short, no? Good morning.
Morning.
Happy Women's Month.
Thank you.
This creative project of Bacacang Central, no, is a creative collaboration with our group of artists, no? And yung mga kasama ko, one of them is here, si Lee Sopranes, yung kami. Wala yung iba kasi may pasok sila, si Camille Machis, si Karil Comides, and Kayla Felipe, as well as si tawag ito, si Camille Machis, then si Ilan Kalines. But let me tell you this, no? I would say that this mural is still a work in progress. Kasi tatapusin pa natin ito, lalo nating pagagatahin. We will have the inauguration today, pero yung finishing touches will come later. Kung may mga suggestions po kayo na iba na gusto nyo ilagay dito, you tell us at ilalagay natin. Malay nyo, si incoming Councilor Elaine Sembrano ay magiging co-sponsor dito. So, dito, we provided everything na kailangan dito sa mural na ito. Sa akin po, it's our passion, it's our advocacy. Magaan sa loob natin na gumawa ng ganito. Para lalo pong gumanda ang Baguio, magiging mural city of the Philippines. So, bakit ganito ang mural natin? Makinig po kayo. Number one, the term Bacacang came from 3 root words. Ito po, ni-research ko sa mga old Ibaloy elders. Yung baka, siyempre baka, represents yung mga noon daw, nabutan yung mga manakalis niyay, dan naging pasture lang dito yung ibang baka during the older days. And then, there are a lot of mambagkang. What are mambagkang? Di pag iniinuman ka no ti baka, di gijay. Ano di ay gijay kanal nga pag iniinuman ti baka. And then, also, nung makita yung jay, ano di gibilbilig kag tayap. Ano kano ti bilig hindi nga mankakak. So it came from the 3 words, baka, mankakak, and mambagkang. Bacacang. But originally, it was Bajajan. Na mispronounce si Gijay Sinmarano, nagbalin nga Bacacang. So, came the barangays Bacacang Central and Bacacang. So, that's the story of this mural. Every mural has a story to tell. So, yan po, istorya yan, the word na Bacacang. So, at least nadagdagan ng inyong alaman. Okay? So, this mural is dedicated to the beautiful people of Bacacang Central. So let's keep on making murals. As I said, still a work in progress. Pagpapatuloy natin ito hanggang sa lalong gumanda. At lalong-lalo na, we are inspired by the fact na yung barangay council nyo dito, nakaganda. Yeah. So, again, Labhaba presently, they also recognize, aside from Councilor Elaine Sembrano, ni Kapitana Jackie Lumibaw, iti PMA Fort del Pilar. Yeah. So, magandang morning sa ating lahat. Let this be a living testament of the cooperation among the members of the community of Bacacang Central and our group of artists, the Sinagi Group of Artists. So lalo po tayong na-inspire pag ganito na ang community ay nakikilahok, nakikibahagi sa mga creative projects na ito. This creative initiative is a project of the community. So Kapitan God Palos Daniel and all the barangay kagawad and the barangay personnel who are here, may the good Lord bless all of you. Mabuhay tayo lahat.
Okay, so may we call all the stakeholders to come in front for the ribbon cutting.
Dito tayo.
Kagawad alis.
Amin tayo, pati lahat kayo, pati tanong.
Yeah, pati lagi kagawad.
Group leader.
Group leaders for us to witness the ribbon cutting of the mural at Bacacang Central Barangay. Okay?
Okay. You count.
5,
Sige,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Okay. Next na.
Okay, congratulations. Now may we call on Kagawad Alice Quezon for the closing remarks.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Yangot, and all the artists who really made effort for ako po rin man nabanbanog ka talaga man na pinagpastak. At magpintas man nga kayso kung view tayo talaga maipitik na matin. The old na Bacacang tayo, diba? So, with that, I would like to say thank you sa mga artists, sa group ng councilors, sa lahat ng mga stakeholders that will do the effort for this. We are blessed as a barangay at ang gabi namin yung barangay ko. Thank you so much, and it's going to be a legacy para ma-showcase ng ating mga bundok at saka mga surroundings natin. So in behalf of that, we'd like to close and say thank you so much, and God bless po yung mga hearts ninyo that really made this. Thank you, thank you. Ayan.
Then we acknowledge the presence of J.D. Malaja Namora. Okay, very unique with the next mural. Si J.D. Malaja Namora kasama. Okay, support din sa project ng creative
Okay, so once again, thank you very much and congratulations to the ribbon cutting of the mural at Bacacang Central Barangay.
Mikaw. Picture tayo, Mikaw. At picture tayo, Mikaw.
Kompresyo, kompresyo.
Música